Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can open DOCX in LibreOffice Writer. Straightforward, let's go. So what you want to do is go right here to the file at the top bar and click open. This search window will open up. Now you need to know where you have these DOCX files. So I have them here in my download folder. So right here, if you don't see it, just change here in all files, search for doc or docx. You will find it right here, as you can see. Select it and just hit open. Now just a moment. Okay. Now I have opened up the docx file. Pretty straightforward. Just check that everything is how it needs to be in original docx file, and you have now your docx file in LibreOffice Writer. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video, consider to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.